This is an optional video if you need help with question 5. Question 5 says, what is a filter bubble? Okay, so let's look right here. It says, Facebook has long been criticized for creating filter bubbles, the echo chambers of friends and like-minded people whose views are reinforced by their friends' posts on a platform. Okay, so Facebook's been criticized for it, so we know it's something people don't like, is what it first tells us. Echo chambers, and echo, we know what that is, right? Like echo, 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 where you hear the same thing from like-minded people. So this is saying if, for example, I really like, you know my opinion on this, but let's say hypothetically, I really like Donald Trump, right? That would mean my Facebook becomes an echo chamber where I keep hearing the same things, right? So I'm like, I like Donald Trump, and then my friends would say, I like Donald Trump because they're like-minded. And so what ends up happening is it just reinforces those opinions over and over again, which in the end, if everything I saw on Facebook says, I love Donald Trump, what would I think about society? Would I think that society, that there were people that didn't like Donald Trump? Or would I be like, everyone that's on Facebook loves Donald Trump, so everyone must love Donald Trump? So what is a filter bubble? And then I'm just going to move on to question 6, because this will help you out. What could be a problem with a filter bubble? Right? So let's go back to that again. If I hypothetically like Donald Trump, and everything I see on Facebook echoes my opinion, why is that a problem? All right, good luck for questions 5 and 6.